Welcome to Tech Wednesday. So on today's episode, I'll be just explaining what these options do and how to access this menu option. And basically, I'll also be sharing with you some of the shortcuts that you can press in order to get to some of these options without basically coming to this menu option. So the first option that we have is the lock, and as the name states, you use this option if you want to lock your PC. If you've been using your PC and now you just want to lock it, you can come here to this menu option and you just click on lock. It will log you out, and whenever you want to access it again, you'll have to punch in your password. Now the second option is the switch users. So let's say you're sharing this PC with someone and you have two profiles, and again, do let me know if you want me to show you how to create two profiles on your PC. Now, if you want to switch to your own profile, you come to this option and click on switch user, and then you click on your profile. It will probably appear somewhere here, and then probably appear somewhere, and then you just click on your profile, and then you'll be able to enter your password and then be able to sign in under your profile. And obviously your profile will only have what your profile has. You won't be sharing what the other profile have. Obviously you'll share some other options, and again, just do let me know if you want me to do a deep dive. Then another option is to sign out. So this option is you signing out of your profile. Like I said, now say you've logged into your profile and you're done working, and now you just want to do what? You want to sign in. So this option, you sign out to your profile if you're done working, so that the third person or the second person can use the PC signing into their profile. The last option is the task manager. This one, you use it to open task manager if you couldn't open it the normal way. And again, on the last video, I shared with you how to do an emergency restart, where you come here and you click on the control key, and then you just click on this one, and it will take you to something like this, in case you didn't watch my last video. And now let me show you how to get to that point. So basically, you click on the control key, the alt key, and the delete key. So you click on them simultaneously, and then it should open up a menu like this. And that's how you access this menu. And then, for example, if I wanted to open task manager, which is already open, but it will open up task manager and shows, okay, I already have one app open. And now some of the shortcuts that you should know. If you are using this PC and you quickly want to run somewhere, you want it to lock, you can click on the Windows key and the L key. So you just hit on this key simultaneously. If you click on them, it will sign you out. As you can see, it did sign me out. And then if I want to log in again, I have to punch in my password. Hope you guys found this useful. See you on the next episode.